Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Tickets Guru. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can turn on the restricted mode on TikTok. For that, you need to head into TikTok application. Make sure to log in on TikTok account. Once you're on the home page of TikTok, you need to tap on profile icon which is at the bottom right corner. When you get access on profile page, tap on three-line icon on the upper right corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom of the screen. When you reach on Settings and Privacy page, scroll down and under Content and Display, you can see Content Preferences. Tap on it, and on the second option, you can see Restricted Mode. Tap on it. Here it is informed that restricted mode will allow us to limit videos that may be inappropriate for some people. So if you find an inappropriate video in restricted mode, report it to help us improve. So now tap on turn on widgets at the bottom of the screen. So you need to set a passcode to turn on restricted mode. After you have set a passcode, tap on next button. Now confirm your password. Again tap on set. So you have turned on the restricted mode on TikTok. So this is how you turn on restricted mode on TikTok. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.